Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from ShouldIGetIt.com. This is my 2012 Mark 6 Volkswagen GTI. Today I'm going to tell you some pleasant secrets and surprises I found after about 6 months of owning it. Now the things I'm going to tell you probably work for the Mark 6 Golf as well, the regular Golf, but I want to get started with the key. I'm going to teach you a couple of cool tricks. So first off, if you double tap and then hold the unlock button, you'll see that your windows will come down, all 4 windows, and then if you do it again, it will even open the sunroof for you, and that way you can cool the car before you get to it, which is really convenient, and that way you can just have the windows down. You don't have to wait for the car to start and do that. Now another cool thing is if you hold the lock button, you can get all the windows to close, but you can also do that with the dimple on the car. If you have keyless entry like I do, all you gotta do is hold your finger on here, it'll lock the car, and then all your windows and your sunroof will close. So that is a super convenient feature, one that I really like and actually found out about recently. Now, what do you do if you want your car to warm up, you know, get the engine running, but you wanna leave it locked? Start it up. All right. And now, if we wanna leave it locked, all we have to do is grab this piece here, pop it off in the bottom with our finger, whoop, close the door, and we're gonna use the actual key. So just grab it right here, turn to the right, and now your car is running and locked. You can step away, let it warm up to operating temperatures, and everything's set. Now the thing is, you cannot unlock the car with the remote anymore, so you need the actual key. You're gonna place it back in, turn left, and now your car is unlocked, and you can use the key like normal. Now all you're gonna do to put it back on is grab this piece right here that you took off, make sure the opening is on the bottom, and you just wanna open the door handle, slide this into place here, you can kind of pop it on with 2 fingers, and now you close the door and you are all set. Works just like new. Now this might be special for my car, but if I hold the middle button for the hatch, you can see it pops open right there. Let me know if your car does this, because I've noticed some GTIs do it and some don't, so leave a comment down below. But now let's move on to the interior, and I'll show you a couple of little secrets and pleasant surprises there, like the air-conditioned glove box, where if you put in a cold drink and turn your AC on blast, it will stay really cold, and it's actually very helpful if you ever buy chocolate or you got some ice cream left over. Just put it in the glove box, blast the AC, and it'll stay cold. Now of course the air-conditioned glove box is nice, but the center armrest is probably what you're going to use more often. So what's cool is you can lift it up and set custom angles for it right here. But what's also cool is it reaches out about 4 inches, which makes it much more convenient for long drives. Now to reset it, all you have to do is pull up until you hear that click, and then you can bring it down, customize the angle. To push it back, all you do is literally slide it back and you're set. You can have it right here. The other really sweet thing is the sunroof opens even more than you'd think. So the sunroof is really nice and convenient, and I love this controller here. If you turn it all the way back, you'll see that the sunroof opens, but it opens maybe about 80–90%. And you see you got a couple inches left right here. Well, to open it fully, all you have to do is grab the dial knob and twist it all the way back. Hold it for a couple seconds, and you'll see now the sunroof is fully open. So that's all I have to share right now with the pleasant secrets and surprises while the car is parked. In the next video, I'll take you guys on a drive and show you some sweet things there too. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Peace.